Welcome everyone to the Glendi Festival of Oakleigh for 2025, and it's a beautiful weekend. We've been truly blessed as we were last year, and isn't it amazing how big it is? The scale right down to Atherton Road, down the mall, amazing. So huge thank you to all the organisers. That are always super excited to be talking when you've done to the do have been delicious. The broad sponsors are Bucks and Real Estate, Anytime Fitness, Bronia, Orthodox Funerals, and Vista Brothers. Thank you so much. And our media sponsors, Antenna Pacific, Neos Cosmos, The Greek Herald, 3XY, Greek Beat Radio, and Good Evening Melbourne. Let's give them all a round of applause, because without them, this festival does not happen. It's a sensational trip. And, you know, I said to my partner, well, if we're going to Greece for 6 weeks, I'm not coming. Not unless we go somewhere else. So he said, all right, I'll take you to Italy and I'll take you to France, Paris, and that was the deal for me. $6,000 goes a long way, and trust me, $6,000 when you book at the correct time, you can travel Europe. Second prize. A $500 dinner voucher to the Hellenic House VIP Good Room, a 1-year subscription of the boutique coffee, your own antenna mix 2010, milkshake and frappe mixer, and dinner with our international Greek headline act. Who knows who this year's headline act is? Does anybody know? Come on guys, you all know, because that's why you're here. So this year we're going to have Christina Salvi.
A single.
And don't forget guys, you can follow me on my Facebook page, the KK Factor. That music up. Let's get the vibe happening in here at the festival. And don't forget, go downstairs, Atherton Road. There are so many stores.
There's ice cream.
This is such a diverse cultural place. It's amazing how we all come together.
Hello. Oh yeah, thank you. Bank of Sydney. You're a long way from home, Bank of Sydney. I know. Yeah, I know. There you go. Parte. No, just one. There you go. Anna. This one. Yeah. There you go. Bank of Sydney. Peki. Peki, bakayım. Goody. Oh. Catch the pigeons.
And from our wonderful roving volunteers with the orange high-vis vests, and can be purchased online using the QR code appearing on the screens. And don't forget, guys, all the photos, all the videos. Hashtag Oakleigh Glendi Festival, tag Oakleigh Glendi Festival. Check out all our radio and media sponsors. Whoever's got their lives up, share the lives, show your support. So we can show the world what Oakleigh does on the first weekend of every November. I need a good balance. I know there's a lot of young ones here at the moment. Come on, get your name down. It's a free entry. And whoever wants my support, I'll support you, but I'm not going to give you the donuts. The competition will go for about 20 minutes. 20 minutes is a long time to eat your markets.